Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Stepping right into the video, you already know I did my brows and my base off camera. Now I'm going to be starting in that James Charles palette with that dark pink shade. Using tapping motions, I'm just applying that into my crease. Remember ladies, the more vibrant you want your eyeshadow to be, the more you have to apply it. So don't think I just applied it 1 or 2 times. Next, I'm going to be taking that pink shade that's in the box of crayons and just applying it on the outskirts to soften up that dark pink shade. Taking a clean M441 brush just to kind of soften up those colors and mix them all together. Because I don't like the harsh line that color eyeshadow leaves, I'm going to go back into the James Charles palette and take that tan color shade that's in the middle and just put that throughout on the outer pink, and then go in with that hotter pink that's in the James Charles palette on the M441 brush. Going to be taking the Louise Base in 1 and Rumor 3, and then I'm taking this paintbrush that I bought from Michael's, using it to cut my crease. I've been seeing everyone use this method of using a paintbrush, and to be honest, it actually works better than having a regular cut crease brush like a MAC or a Morphe brush. So I say check it out. If you ever like to do cut creases, then go get a paintbrush from Michael's. This one was originally like $2 to $3. So as y'all can see, I was having a hard time cutting my crease over my lash extensions. Shout out to Distinct Beauty, by the way. But yeah, y'all, like, if you can cut a crease over your lash extensions, like, you really the GOAT, because this was so hard for me. Now I'm just going to dip back into those same shades to buff out the concealer and make it look seamless. And then you're going to see me going back and forth between the dark pink, the light pink. So I'm just taking that lighter shade that's in the James Charles palette and applying it in my inner corner, and then throughout where you see in the middle of that bright pink. I don't know what brush I'm using, so I'm just gonna leave everything in the description box below. And now I'm taking my liner, and yes, I did poke my eye. Now that is the finished look for the eyes, now I'm going to be going onto the face and taking the Ever Matte Becca primer and applying that all throughout my face. When I say I love this primer, I love this primer. Like, if you're ever like super oily, this primer is the one for you. It's very mattifying, and I love a matte finish. Now I'm going to be taking my favorite foundation combo, which is the Fenty Beauty and the Becca Ultimate Coverage foundation. I'm going to lightly tap that into my skin. I do not swipe it or anything. I just tap it into my skin. Y'all, when I tell y'all, these two foundations are so bomb, and I love them together. Like, they give me my exact shade, and it just melts into my skin so perfectly. Now I'm just going to be going over my face with a Real Techniques face and body sponge, just to make sure that all gets into my skin, it doesn't separate or anything. Now I'm going to be taking the Too Faced, the Juvia's Place, and the Age Rewind concealers. Yes, I'm taking all 3 of those concealers. If you love a good highlight under the eye like I do, then I recommend these 2 combos. It worked perfectly for me. I didn't look too bright under the eye. It all looks seamless. So yeah, I recommend getting these 3 foundations and trying it out. Now I'm just going to start from the bottom and work my way up to the top. You always want to start from the bottom because that bottom shade is kind of like your skin color shade. So always start from the bottom and then work your way up to the top. I'm just taking that same foundation brush I had and going over the concealer and the foundation so it can all look seamless. Now I'm going to contour my nose using the ColourPop foundation stick. I don't know what shade this is, but I will leave it in the description box below. I only contour my nose. I don't contour anything else. Then again, taking that same foundation brush and just going over my nose to make it all look seamless. So now I'm going to be setting under my eye with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder. And yes, you may see me go a little heavy because, y'all, I've been going through it with school and work and I haven't been getting any sleep. So I need to make sure that these bags and these lines are set in place because, no. Y'all, I never fell in love with bronzer until I found this bronzer. This is the Kylie Skin Tan and Gorgeous bronzer. When I tell y'all this is so bomb, like it makes you look so tan during the winter. Here I'm just going over my brows with the brow gel by Essence in the shade Dark Brown. Like, y'all, do y'all see this eye look? Like, what? Like, I did that, period, because what? I'm too pretty. I'm going to be going over my face with the Too Faced Cocoa Butter Foundation Powder, which I always use, and I'm running out. I really need to get me some more. This is the best powder ever. I'm going in with the NYX Jumbo Stick in the shade Black and underlining my waterline. And then after that, I'm just using the same shades that I use under my eyelid, under my eye. Going in with blush, I'm taking these two ColourPop blushes. Alright, now I'm going to take the Dual Finish Highlighter Multitasking Illuminating Powder in the shade Luminous Gold and apply this on my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. Yes, I said the Lancome, y'all. This highlighter is so freaking bomb. Like, I know this product, like, mainly older people use it, but trust me when I say it is so bomb. Anybody else be excited when their makeup comes out exactly how they want it? Because I know I do. I'm just taking a lip liner by NYX. It is called Cold Brew. Next, I'm going to apply this lipstick by Morphe. I don't know what the name is, but again, it will be listed in the description box below, as long as with the Morphe Nude Lip Gloss. I'm just getting my lash extensions together because y'all know we can't be out here looking crazy. Shout out to Distinct Beauty because she did her thing, period. Okay, beauties, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and yes, come back for more because you know I'm coming and I'm there. Like, what? I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Mwah.
I need that. When you say you let me, shawty, show me that you mean